Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by gathering a CR2032 battery and a soft cloth to work on. Include a small flat screwdriver and a tiny amount of silicone grease for the seal. Choose a clean, dry area and lay a towel down to protect the crank arm finish. Confirm the replacement cell is a CR2032 coin cell rated 3 volts before beginning. Turn off any paired devices and remove the power meter from the bike safely. This preparation minimizes errors and protects the electronics during the swap. Position the crank arm so you can access the battery cap comfortably. Use a small flat screwdriver to gently pry off the battery cap without scratching the housing. Remove the old CR2032 cell and note its orientation before discarding it properly. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up and seated flat in the compartment. Apply a light film of silicone grease to the rubber seal to maintain water resistance. Snap or screw the cap back into place until it is snug and even. Reinstall the power meter onto the crank or pedal, following manufacturer guidance carefully. Torque any bolts to the specified value listed by the manufacturer to ensure proper fit and safety. Wake the device by tapping it or rotating the crank to conserve battery life initially. Pair the meter with your head unit or phone and confirm it shows battery level and signal strength. If the meter does not power on, recheck the battery orientation and the rubber seal seating before trying again. A successful verification returns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.